So today we are back with my Volkswagen. I had a lot of problems with this recently, but the biggest problem was it was my fault. I'll take credit for this. When I was changing the oil, these oil plugs are known to strip either the plug or the pan. I believe it stripped the pan. So what I did is I went out and I bought myself a nice new oil pan for BCS tuning. It's pretty nice. It came with everything I needed, so we're just pretty much going to take it off. We got it up on the lift. And it's really easy and really self-explanatory. So, alright, so I believe there's 17 of them, but there's just a crap ton of these T30 screws. And that's really the only thing holding this on. The only problem we're running into is that we have to figure out how to drain this oil, because luckily I've had to drive around all day. And it's probably about I think my cob read 213 degrees. So that's always a ton of fun. I guess I'll let you guys know. See oil pan here. And I'm pretty much just going to impact this thing off and hope it comes off. Because I guess you guys can't see, but for mine, it's loosely. So either that or we're just going to take it off. So let's go for it. Alright, so what you want to do, we just remove the dust shield cover, whatever, that plastic thing that protects nothing. And so he's taking off the bolts. Oh, this is going to take way too long, so we decided just to smash the pan out.
Or honestly, just give me a screwdriver.
Yo, watch your face though, kid.
Grabs the world's longest screwdriver. It's going to break anyway.
Yeah. Fuck. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend smashing your oil pan off when it's full of 5 quarts or like 4.5 of oil. So we ran to the store, bought some kitty litter. Got some drinks. We're going to throw that on there and then we'll go ahead and drop that on there. And then hopefully we'll be done. Hopefully it'll run. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to see all of this, like, this gunk, like the ending of the sealant or gasket or whatever. It had sealant on it. But, so you just kind of want to take a screwdriver, a flat blade, a razor blade, or pretty much anything to get that stuff off. Because you don't really want that on there when you apply the new adhesive. Because then obviously, you know, it wouldn't stick. I'm going to lay that, so it's probably a little thick. Alright, so we went ahead and everything's sealed up. We're just waiting on this to seal a little more because it's still a little loose. But we went ahead and we put the oil in already. The drain plug's tightened. The oil level sensor cover is tightened. Everything's good. So we're just waiting to see the first start.